Hey, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition, and this is Kelly. Say hi, Kelly.
Hi, Kelly.
And this is Lainey. Say hi, Lainey.
Hello.
And we are going into Curious Nature in Phoenix and getting a belated birthday present for Lainey. Where's the skull you were talking about? Oh, the skeleton. Human skeleton. Actually, it looks like they have a lot of human skeleton parts. There's a bullfrog. Man, look at the size of these grasshoppers. Oh, these are cool. This is just a model, but now do you prefer the two-headed one, or?
I do. Help hats there too.
And that would help you sleep at night.
Yeah.
Right? Octopus. Now, Lainey, you're into bugs, aren't you?
Yeah.
Toad kill.
For $12. So fluffy.
Let me see. Oh, it is.
You have a deer jawbone.
Deer jawbones. All the teeth in there.
Yeah. That's an awesome name too.
Idiomatus diabolico. Oh, diabolico.
I know. Parrotfish.
A parrotfish.
His eyeball is not doing so well right
There's
now.
another fish to add to your fish collection.
Look at these huge starfish. Those are cool.
You used to be able to find those starfish all over the place. I don't know if it's the same. What is that?
It's a starfish. It's a sunflower starfish. That's cool.
Look, here's a thorn starfish.
There's some weird stuff in the ocean.
Yeah.
Like this.
Oyster cluster. These are actually pretty cool. You can see hanging one of these out the rear mirror, you know.
I remember having these from going to Hawaii or something.
Yes, yes. Horn spoon. Yeah, and then they have this big one. Look at that.
Can't tell if the guy's real or not.
Huh.
Taxidermy? It says taxidermy.
Yeah, but you don't feel real.
Maybe just need that kind of skin.
Feels leather.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it's like when they do it. Oh, that's a coin
It's the
purse?
same type of toad and it feels kind of the same.
Yeah, it doesn't look real. I don't know. It is weird. It's a human finger. It looks like it though.
There's alligator meat for $5. It's so fuzzy. Oh my god.
Look at the skunks down here.
Yeah, there's a bigger one up there.
How much is a mouse? Oh yeah, you can open it.
Oh,
I don't have any like mice playing banjos or anything like that in here.
or frogs.
Frogs. Oh, frogs. That's big.
$39, $40 for a frog.
That one looks more like a frog.
Yeah. Like the other one. Honestly, like,
Plus maybe not. But it's, I like it.
he kind of deformed, kind of. I mean, kind of big. They have a mouse.
That's a mouse?
Yes.
I'm surprised it's only that much.
What is it?
$17. It's a buffalo jawbone.
Buffalo jawbone. You can't roller skate with a buffalo jawbone.
No.
We got some interesting books here too. The Book of the Damned.
A little bigger, but not that much crystal that you have.
Yeah. But I actually got that one.
Yeah.
Big old scorpion. It's a back scratcher. Oh, it feels good. Thank you.
What is that?
The back scratching.
Oh yeah.
So they have a nice collection of cards here. They have a collection of books over there. They're little kind of interesting, unusual books. Do you need a crystal ball?
Another one?
The Beauty of Horror coloring book.
Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty intricate, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try these things. Human Eagles tomorrow.
We find these in our yard in our house all the time. What's it called? The Acanthoscuria Torina?
Oh, these are pretty.
So these are all skulls.
Yes, these are all humans.
That's crazy looking. They look like they're having a conversation.
They're soulmates. Yes, yes.
To be like a brown and white one that we had. That's old. I wanted something to buy it.
I haven't.
It's like an actual lock that you can lock.
Old school lock. Well, it's not, but it looks like an old school.
What is this? I'm scared to touch it.
What are you keeping there? Brains. So what are you gonna get?
I won't eat it. You know what?
Yeah, I saw those. My fingers are too big to fit in there, but
Who would win, a bat or an octopus? Tentacle.
well, it's an eighth of an octopus. So what are those giant bones down there?
They're giraffe bones.
This is a giraffe bone?
Yeah.
Wow. And that's a giraffe bone too, upper leg.
Smile, you're on camera.
Yes, you are. You are on camera.
No, that camera.
But you're on this one too.
Oh, hi.
I feel like I looked at everything and then like, oh.
Smile, you're on camera. Because of the cave.
Oh, taking a dog. Do you fall through? Can I pet it?
Yes, his name's Walter. He's very friendly.
Oh, I was not expecting the dog to pop up out of the bag. I'm like, whoa.
Just, that way you can check your heart pulse today.
Yeah. So that's a toad skin. It's really soft. Man, that is a giant starfish. Look at that guy, $600.
For a green.
These almost look fake, don't they? They look like the ceramic. There you-
Dude, I really want to get the zebra.
Yeah.
Stripes.
For one thing, you're gonna have to move out of your room if you get that, because there's no room.
Yeah.
Which sticker do you want? I want that.
That's pretty cool. Well, this one's really small for on a car, but
Yeah, but it is pretty cool. Oh,
oh.
we should get that one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get that one.
Skull bones and
Dead things in
dead
jars.
stuff in jars. There's a blue starfish.
All this stuff in here is very nice. Like,
Yes,
it's
much cleaner in here than I expected it to be. So we got this cool bat sticker, and it says Curious Nature. It's a little hard to read, but the bat's cool though.
Yeah.
And Lainey got that skull sticker.
Yeah,
She's gonna put it on the back of her Mercedes. Oh wait, you don't have a Mercedes,
No.
never mind. So let's find out what Lainey got for her birthday.
Yeah.
5 months.
Check that out. And we're not even in Florida. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great, because I will definitely get back to you and share these videos with your friends if you think they would enjoy them. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.